Picture this. You're in a tiny cafe in Paris. You've just finished a croissant and the waiter brings your bill. Instead of fumbling for euros, you pull out your phone, tap an app, and pay with Bitcoin. Très chic, right? But how do you actually use Bitcoin while traveling? Can it really make your life easier? The answer is yes, but only if you know the ropes. That's why, today on Atlas IQ, we're diving into Bitcoin 101 for travelers. 7 essential tips to navigate the world with Bitcoin. Stick around because at the end, we'll reveal a pro tip that'll take your Satoshi game to the next level. Let's roll. Let's start with the basics, your Bitcoin wallet. This is where all the magic happens. It's how you store, send, and receive Bitcoin. There are 2 main types of wallets you'll need to know about. Hot wallets, specifically Bitcoin Lightning wallets, are connected to the internet, typically as apps on your phone. They're super convenient for travel because they let you make transactions quickly. Apps like Blue Wallet, Strike, and Wallet of Satoshi are popular choices. Think of these as your digital travel pouch. They're lightweight, easy to use, but not the most secure for storing large amounts. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are hardware devices that store your Bitcoin offline. They're ultra secure and immune to hacking, making them ideal for long-term storage. Brands like Foundation, Blockstream, and Coldcard are good choices because they're dedicated Bitcoin wallets. But even Ledger and Trezor would work. These are traveler favorites. The downside? They're a bit bulkier and not ideal for daily transactions. For most travelers, a Bitcoin Lightning wallet is your go-to for everyday use in most transactions, like buying lunch or paying for a gelato. But if you're carrying a lot of Bitcoin, or just want peace of mind, consider keeping a cold wallet for backup. Think of it like a money belt. It's not flashy, but it's safe. Before you even book your flights, you'll need a reliable exchange to buy Bitcoin. Exchanges are the bridge between your traditional bank account and the crypto world. But here's the catch. Not all exchanges are created equal. Some of the biggest names like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken work in many countries, but they might have limitations depending on where you're traveling. For example, if you're headed to a country with strict crypto regulations, your favorite exchange might not be available. Consider using dedicated Bitcoin apps for purchasing Bitcoin. Apps like Swan, River, and Strike will allow you to buy Bitcoin with low fees. And while Swan and River primarily focus on Bitcoin accumulation, Strike offers Lightning Network integration as well, so you can use it to pay with Bitcoin on the go. That said, with most exchanges, whether Bitcoin exclusive or multi-chain, you'll have to move your Bitcoin to your Lightning wallet after purchasing. Do some research and consider signing up for a second exchange account that works in your destination. It's also worth noting that some exchanges offer travel-friendly features, like currency conversion tools or lower international transfer fees. Look for these perks when choosing your go-to platform. Picture this, you're trekking through the Andes and you find the perfect souvenir from a local artisan. They accept Bitcoin, yay! But there's a problem, you have no internet connection to complete the transaction. Don't let poor connectivity ruin your plans. Here are a few tips. Download offline compatible wallets. Apps like Samurai Wallet allow you to make offline Bitcoin transactions that sync once you're back online. Carry fiat currency as a backup. While Bitcoin is fantastic for digital payments, cash is still king in many rural areas. Invest in a portable hotspot. Devices like Skyroam or Solid can provide internet access in remote locations. And remember, if you're relying on hotel Wi-Fi or public networks, always use a VPN to keep your transactions secure. Think of it as your digital bodyguard. Did you know there are over 30,000 Bitcoin ATMs worldwide? These machines let you convert cash into Bitcoin, or vice versa, with just a few taps. Here's how it works. Open your Bitcoin wallet app and scan the ATM's QR code. Insert cash to buy Bitcoin, or send Bitcoin from your wallet to get cash. Confirm the transaction, and you're done. It's fast and convenient, but beware of fees. They can range from 5 to 10% per transaction. Ouch! Use tools like coin@miradar.com to find ATMs near you and try to minimize usage unless you're in a pinch. Here's the fun part. Not all countries are equally welcoming to Bitcoin. Some, like El Salvador, have fully embraced it as legal tender. You can pay for coffee, cabs, and even pupusas with your Bitcoin stack. Other destinations, like Portugal and Switzerland, are known for their crypto-friendly environments. But in some regions, Bitcoin is more of a novelty than a norm. To make the most of your travels, research your destination's Bitcoin culture ahead of time. Apps like BitRefill and CoinMap.org are great for finding Bitcoin-accepting businesses. They'll help you locate everything from hotels and restaurants to tourist attractions that will allow you to pay in Bitcoin. Pro tip: even if a business doesn't advertise Bitcoin payments, it doesn't hurt to ask. It's still a very new application of the technology worldwide. So many Bitcoin-accepting merchants may not be loudly mentioning it yet. If in doubt, just ask. You might inspire them to adopt it. Let's talk money, or rather how to keep more of it in your wallet. Bitcoin transactions often come with fees, especially if you're converting back and forth between currencies. Here's what you can do to minimize costs. Use platforms like Strike or Revolut that offer lower exchange fees and better conversion rates. Time your transactions wisely. Bitcoin's network fees fluctuate, so try to send funds during off-peak hours. Avoid small, frequent transactions. Consolidating your payments can save you a surprising amount in fees. And always keep an eye on exchange rates. Bitcoin's value can change faster than the weather. A little planning goes a long way. We can't talk about Bitcoin without addressing security. After all, you wouldn't leave your passport lying around, so why take risks with your digital wallet? Here are a few must-dos. Enable two-factor authentication on all your crypto accounts. Use a strong, unique password. Forget 12345. Your password should be as complex as a Scandinavian mystery novel. Avoid public Wi-Fi for transactions, and always use a VPN if you have no other option. Keep a backup of your wallet's recovery phrase in a secure offline location. It's your only lifeline if you lose access to your wallet. By staying vigilant, you'll keep your Bitcoin as safe as your favorite pair of travel shoes. Hopefully safer. Here's that bonus pro tip we promised. Did you know you can spend Bitcoin without actually selling it? Services like BitPay or FoldApp let you pay for goods and services using Bitcoin without triggering taxable events in some regions. The Bitcoin Company is a similar service with a mobile app that not only makes it easy to transact in Bitcoin, but also rewards you with Bitcoin for using their service. These platforms convert your Bitcoin into a prepaid gift card or payment to the merchant, making the transaction seamless. It's an easy way to maximize your Bitcoin while minimizing the headaches. And there you have it, 7 essential tips to help you travel the world with Bitcoin like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned hodler or just crypto curious, these strategies will keep you covered wherever you roam. Got a Bitcoin travel hack we didn't mention? Share it in the comments. And while you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you never miss our latest tech travel tips. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and remember, adventure is just a transaction away. See you soon, traveler.